Okay, so this Samsung washing machine, when it was new, I think it was about £1,200. The vent was blocked down here. I just had to unscrew that and clean it out, and also cleaned out in there as well. That was free. Advertised on Facebook for scrap. Samsung, what are they called now? Bloody hell. Heat pump. Sorry, I forgot the word. Samsung heat pump tumble dryer. This was not getting warm. They had the engineer out, the person, and they got told that it was the main board behind here, and they wanted something like nearly £300 for the main board. It wasn't the main board, it was a thermostat, thermistor, whatever you want to call them. £12.99 off of eBay. Completely fixed the tumble dryer. Then there was this AEG freezer. I try not to buy anything, and if I do, I try not to pay full price for it. If I can repair it, I'll repair it. The problem with this is it wasn't coming on, it had no power. First thing I thought was the fuse in the plug. It wasn't the fuse in the plug. What it was is there's a little on button behind there. The panel had actually come away from the board, so it wasn't turning on. That was also free. There's this TV advertised on Facebook. It was advertised as faulty and had no sound. I actually did feel quite bad for the person I bought this off, and when I came home after I had a look through the settings before taking it apart, I messaged them and let them know if they wanted it, they could have it back for 50 quid, so 40 quid that I paid for it, and then £10 just to cover my fuel costs. But they'd already bought one, so I said to them if they ever get another item that is faulty to let me know, and I will I'll definitely look after them. But yeah, the problem with this was the speaker setting was set to go through a soundbar or an amplifier, so basically the TV speakers was off, so they had no sound. They had picture but no sound. So it just goes to show you, people are throwing things away for silly reasons, and for parts that will cost so little. Or I mean, even most items these days, especially fridge freezers, these American fridge freezers, all they need is probably a couple of buttons holding down in sequence for a few seconds to reset it. But yeah, I mean, it just amazes me, and I just want to help people, not give these big companies their money. They don't want to sell you parts to repair it, and that's why they're charging such high prices for the parts, so they can try and sell you another one. I mean, it's not been proven, but one of my theories is most of the parts, well, I mean, how many TVs I've seen, just for instance, that used to come in the tip, it was only a couple of years old, big brands as well, and oh, it's broken, it's doing this, it's not coming on, it's flickering, and then you get the old boy who comes in with the old wooden TV from the 60s saying, oh, this is still working fine, if you know what I mean. Like, companies are using such cheap parts that are basically just made to fail. They're made to break, to keep their sales up, to keep, you know what I mean.